Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Dutch stir-fry.
Dutch stir-fry? I thought we were comparing Asian cuisines.
That's right, a Dutch stir-fry. A Sambal Oelek. And we're going to be doing that over potatoes. Here's all the fixins. Let's at it. You know the act. Make your cutlets and stay angry. And then slice them into strips and thoroughly flour them.
Okay, here's all the stuff that's prep, because prep is everything. Let's go through it. We got the chicken, onions, peppers, vinegar, wine, Sambal Oelek, spices of curry and fenugreek, of course our scallions, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, coconut cream, and lime.
Olive oil, butter, garlic, and then add your ginger, and then we're going to be putting the curry on top of that, and then we're going to add the onions, stir it and let it cook a little bit, then add the rice vinegar and maple syrup, a little sweet and sour, add your red peppers, tomatoes, and then put your fenugreek in a mill and then grind it down for you. That's how to do that. Then, of course, add your wine, and then your coconut cream, which you pre-mix, and then chicken. Then you're going to stir that in, add the star of the show, pretty much a half a bottle of Oelek. Stir that in, add your spinach, a little salt, and then cover her up, turn it down, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, serving time. Time to plate up. Okay, we got Bob's Flakes. We're going to put in a tab of butter and then add some scallions to it. Then we're going to plate up that beautiful Dutch stir-fry. Add scallions, lime, salt, and you're ready to serve. Who says you can't have a Dutch stir-fry? Just remember to use a Dutch oven and a Dutch recipe. This is chicken Sambal Oelek with Bob's potato flake potatoes. Okay, people, treat yourself good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.